Good morning.
Morning.
It's been a morning.
It has been a morning.
It's Sunday, by the way, March 18th. It's my brother's birthday. Woo! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We're going to Dustin's parents after we pick up something for lunch today. We didn't make it to church because Sarah had a big old fat panic attack for absolutely no reason. Yeah, so I had a big old panic attack, cried in the closet for a long time, and then we had to watch service online. Very disappointed about it, but I'm trying not to think about it very much. It's been a long time since that happened.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've curled my hair. I wanted to shave it all off this morning, but I don't mind it right now. It's still not how I want it, but
It looks really good.
thanks. It's getting there. Back in the car.
Back in the car.
It's actually several hours later,
Several
believe it or
hours.
not. We've pretty much, can you say confidently that we've picked a puppy?
Yeah, pretty much.
I got to hold her for a long time. I didn't vlog her, but got to hold her for a long time, and she's so, right now, seems docile. She did stamp my shirt, but, so she basically picked me.
Right.
The guy in front of us definitely has a flat tire that he's just chilling and driving anyway.
Yep, he doesn't care.
I forgot that I was uploading a vlog today though, so hopefully I can get back home and finish that up and then start editing my next little couple clips so then I can finally get back like on
Track.
yeah, on like today's vlog, you know, not like I'm catching up vlog. So good afternoon. Today I think is the 19th of March. It's around 1 o'clock on a Monday. It's supposed to be storming really bad today. It hasn't started yet, but I'm anxious about it. Dustin right now is at a car shop getting his car worked on, and then he's gonna come back home, and then I don't really know what we're gonna do today. I know I have to go get a jacket because it's freezing down here. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the meals I'm gonna try to be cooking this week. Don't know if it'll go good or not. For me, for lunch, I went to Publix and got this. So this has red bell peppers, zucchini squash, and yellow squash in it. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to make this sausage, which is Cajun style, and I thought that'd be so yummy. I have some ground beef because I'm going to make one of my dad's old favorites, which is pizza casserole, is what Pinterest calls it. But it's what is it? It's pepperoni, it's ground beef, it's pasta, and then pasta sauce, and that's pretty much it, and some seasoning, and it's so easy and so good. And then we have some garlic bread to have with that. Okay, we're in the process of cooking. I waited way too long to eat, so now I am sick. But I'm eating this dark chocolate dessert hummus that is so good with some pretzels. This is what I have so far. So it's orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, zucchini, and squash. And then I'm about to cut up my sausage. I'll show you guys that again. And then I'm just gonna put some olive oil on the top of it. And I brought out pretty much all of my seasonings. I have Italian, garlic, and then oregano. And I think I'm just gonna make a little mixture of all of them. So we'll see if it's any good. Okay, they just came out of the oven. Can't tell if they're just cooked enough or if they are too done because some of these little pieces are crispy. But it looks pretty good. Smells absolutely delicious. And then my rice is still cooking. So I'm going to go back over the top of this while it's still hot and sprinkle some Parmesan, and then we should be good to go. It is several hours later. We've had dinner, which tonight we had hot dogs and crescent rolls, which was definitely not the most fabulous thing I've ever made, but our tummies are full. I'm about to make some funfetti. Ooh, I almost dropped it. That was a good catch, huh? Cupcakes. Gather all the materials for this, make these puppies, and I'm going to eat them all by myself. Okay, I am upstairs now. I'm about to close this door, put away some laundry that I did today, and get ready for tomorrow. Dustin is podcasting downstairs right now with Hooper. And so anyways, I know he's really enjoying that. And then I'm going to, after I edit, sit down and try to edit. After I put away laundry, I'm going to sit down and try to edit another vlog together and finally get caught up. Does anybody else have like a water bottle problem? This is my new one just now from the fridge, and the other ones, and there's one down there if you guys can see, and I took 3 down today. I don't know why I do that, but I do, and I always have. I wanted to tell you guys one of the main things that I do to make my week easier, and this is something that probably not a lot of people like have an issue with, but if I don't already know like what I'm wearing for the week, struggle and get anxiety. And I know that that sounds funny for a lot of people, but you know, I work in an industry that your image is a really big part of the whole deal. So something I do, I go to Pinterest and I pick out a couple outfits. Not good lighting. I pick out a couple outfits that I think are going to be good for the weather that week, or comfortable, or whatever it is that I'm going for. So I have a couple picked out. Okay, so that's actually pretty quick. I have all my outfits here, so I only technically need 3 work days worth, however that is said. 3 days worth of work clothes. There we go. Because I only work typically 3 days, but I always have at least 4 just in case if I get up in the morning and I don't like an outfit or it doesn't fit how I thought it would. I just have something else to go to and I don't have to spend time on that. So this is the first one. Actually, a coworker just gave me this cardigan. I love this color and it's a medium. It's really long, which I like. And I just have it with this Forever 21. I forget what these kinds are called because they're really loose. It's kind of like a skater dress, but it's literally not like snug on any part of the body. It's really big. So that and then some, these are pretty much knee-high right about boots. I don't know where these ones are from. This outfit I love. So again, this cardigan was from a coworker. What's the brand? This is American Rag is the brand on this, and I just love the colors of it. It's so pretty and feminine to me. And I just paired that with a white v-neck underneath and then some light wash denim that I think these are kind of high-waisted, so I thought that would be cute. And then I have these shoes that I've worn forever. I love them and they're so comfortable for work. It's absolutely crazy. I don't know the brand on these because I got them at a thrift store. It's late. I don't know what I'm talking about. I love this. That is a dark hair from where? Who knows? So what I did, this blazer is from H&M. It's one of my favorite blazers. It's so cute. And then instead of doing a long sleeve, like thick denim, this is Faded Glory, which if I'm not mistaken, you get at literally Walmart. And I've loved this shirt the whole time I've had it. It's sleeveless, so that way I don't get too hot under my blazer. And then I paired that with white jeans, which I forget the brand. I think this is 7 for All Mankind. Yeah, this is 7 for All Mankind denim. And I actually got that at a thrift store as well. And then my loafers are Very Volatile, which I got off Poshmark for like $10. So this is like my safety outfit in case one of these other ones I don't want to wear them, or in the most likely event I don't shave my legs for the dress, I can wear jeans again. So these olive ones I like a whole lot. They are from Boom Boom Jeans. Don't know. I'm almost positive I got these from thrifting as well because I don't know that brand, but I just paired that with this black shirt that's actually Dustin's, but don't tell him that I took it again for a second time. And it's just from Morona. And then this jacket is one of my all-time favorites. It's from Unpolished, I think. Unpublished is what that says. This was another thrift store buy, and it was so worth it. It's got like ripped up kind of detail all over it, and I just love it. A couple hours ago, I was like, I'll just sit in my bed and edit, and Dustin will podcast, and that'll be about it. We're in the basement now because there's a tornado coming through right now. I've got our blankets and some pillows and some waters. I really have to go to the bathroom to pee again, but I am not going back upstairs. Dustin's coming in behind me.
Hi.
Our first tornado in the new house.
First tornado.
Good times. Dustin brought the priorities. Phone charger and a cupcake. We made it through the storm, you guys. Look how pretty this morning is. So sunny. It's foggy, but it's really pretty. I don't see any trees that we have down, limbs or anything, which is so crazy because it was so windy and like messy and crazy and loud last night. Hi guys, back in my towel. I have been so busy today. It's 5:10 right now on the 21st, which is Wednesday, and I swept and mopped and vacuumed all of our hardwood floors, which was such a good feeling. I cleaned up the living room a whole lot, and I brought some stuff down to the studio that needed to be brought down. I cleaned the kitchen and the bathrooms, and I just finished painting my nails, so I'm seeing how long I can wait until I smudge them, which is my routine. Then I get mad, and then I take all my nail polish off. See you guys shortly. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my incredibly dark living room. I'm about to head to work. Well, actually, not to work. I'm going to CVS first. It's 10:44 right now, and I'm supposed to go into work at 12. So I'm going to eat some oatmeal, and then I'm going, ooh, bright. And then I'm going to go to CVS, pick up a couple things, and then go to work. Oatmeal's done. Eat my oatmeal because I'm about to be running behind, and I will see you guys at some point later on this day, probably. Good morning, guys. I have to show you this. Look at this little adventurer that's in my backyard. He's a little kitty cat with a bobtail, and he's so cute. I've been watching him forever, and now he's leaving. My camera battery's about to die, but I'm headed to work. It's Friday morning. I'm only working till 3, so I'm gonna come home and clean. My outfit's so cute today. I love it. So that's YouTube in the kitchen, not another person. Yeah, so I will see you guys after work. Good afternoon. I still haven't charged my camera and forgot that it was gonna die earlier when I was vlogging, but right now it's about 6 o'clock. Dustin's still on his way home, and I'm actually waiting on my first delivery from Instacart, I think is what it's called, which is a grocery delivery service, and I'm a little bit nervous about it. So if you guys have ever tried it, let me know. I'm just waiting for my girl to pull up, and then I'm gonna help her unload my groceries.
It is now.
We're at the puppies.
Yeah.
This is our puppy.
Yeah. You can just barely see that little eye in there. Just barely see it right there.
He's cold. Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday, March the 24th. I didn't finish out the vlog last night. I got incredibly ill for some reason. And yeah, so anyway, I look a mess right now. I just woke up a little while ago. Dustin is headed out to get our new washer and dryer. And yeah, so I wanted to show you guys what I bought from Bargain Hunt yesterday, and also what I got at Pet Supermarket or Petco, one of those stores. Actually, both of those stores, I think. So for our pup, I got her this little toy to start off with. I wanted to get something that didn't have a squeaker in it, but that she could kind of use for a long time. But really what I wanted was like a stuffed animal for her that didn't have a squeaker, and there were none. Like every single stuffed animal had a squeaker in it. We got her just this little pink tennis ball, and we also got her this little teething toy. This I think is so cute. It's like a rubber tire. I think everything looks kind of red on here, but you guys know this is all pink. And you can put treats inside here so she can like work to get them out, which I think is cute. And then we got her the Nylabone set for oral care, which is a toothbrush, a finger brush, and then the toothpaste. Bargain Hunt, this is the couple things I got. This is so dumb, and when I saw it I was like, yeah, I'll get that. Body by Pizza. I don't know why I purchased the things I do. This I think is so cute. This is a medium, and it's kind of small looking if I'm being honest, but I already know exactly how I want to wear this shirt. This shirt was $3, which is the cutest thing ever. I can't wait to wear this with skinny jeans and some heels. But this is the top of it, if you guys can see all that little detail, and then it goes down like halfway to the sleeves. It almost looks like it's probably a little cropped, but then the sleeves just go in this little bell sleeve. And I think that's so cute. I don't know. It's very Eastery looking to me. Last thing I got, Dustin actually found these, which, way to go, Dustin. These were the only ones that I saw. They were in my size, which you know is like destiny, and they're from Champion, and I love Champion shoes. So these were only $10, but they're like winter shoes. They're like winter tennis shoes. So these are like snowproof basically, but look at the top is fur, and then at the bottom, like where your the bottom of your foot goes, is fur too. And Dustin's so fascinated with the fact too that you can cinch the top of it to make it like tighter on your foot. That's everything I got. I wanted to show you guys that. So I'm gonna go start a load of laundry, sip on my coffee, and edit a little bit. And I think Dustin is gonna be on his way home soon, and then we'll figure out what we're doing for the rest of this day. Live from our bathroom. I'm finally trying this. I just went and got it a little bit ago. I have it mixed up. So I'm gonna quickly take my makeup off and put that on and see how it does, and then I will give you guys a proper update. Okay, update. You guys can see how shiny my skin is. Did really, really well. I feel like a lot of my blackheads came out too, so I'm impressed. I feel like I didn't have a very productive day, which always makes me feel kind of bad, but Dustin had a really productive day, so that was good. Like maybe we just need to start planning our days a little differently, or I say we, but really I'm talking about me. I do, because I don't like to feel like I haven't done anything productive for the day, because then I feel kind of like a failure at the end of the day. Hopefully go on a date. We've been trying to go on the same date for 3 days straight, so hopefully it'll happen tomorrow. We'll see. Hey guys, don't mind the way that I look. I don't have any mascara on, and I took my false eyelashes off, but I'm just editing this vlog and notice I don't have an outro clip, so this is just me saying bye, and I will see you in my next vlog.